Here we've got a shape made up of identical rectangles. So they're supposed to look identical. I know they don't look on mine, but they're supposed to be identical. And we know that the long side has a length of c centimeters, and the short side has a length of 4 centimeters. So we need to work out the perimeter of the whole figure. Well, to do that, we need to look at how many 4 centimeter sides do we have. Well, we have one here, 4. We have one here, one here. So we have 4 lots of 4 centimeters. That's the first part of our perimeter. Then we have to see how many lots of whole C's do we have. Well, we have a whole C here. This is the whole of C. This side here is the whole of C. This side is all of C. And this side is all of C. We're only counting the outside sides. So we have 4 lots of C as well. C plus C plus C plus C is the same as 4 lots of C.
Isn't there another C?
Haven't finished yet. And here we had 4 times 4. Then we've got 2 sides where we actually don't have the whole length of the side. We've got 2 sides here where this side isn't the whole of C. This side is C minus the 4 centimeters that's here. So we have to add C minus 4. How many of those do we have? Well, we have one here where I've had the red, but we also have another one here. So we've got 2 sides that are the same as C minus 4. Now we have to check that we've got all the sides here. I've got 4, 8, 10. There should be 10 sides to this figure if I've counted correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to where I started. Yep, so there are 10 sides to my figure. Okay, so now that I've worked out all the different sides, the perimeter of my figure will be 4 lots of 4, which is 16, plus 4 lots of C, which I would write as 4C, plus, and what do I do here when I've got this 2 lots of C minus 4? Well, what I do with that is I take the 2 in front of my bracket here and think that this 2 has to be multiplied by everything that's inside the bracket. So I take the 2 and I multiply it by C. What would I get then? I would get 2 times C is 2C. Now I've calculated the 2 and multiplied it by C. Now I have to take the 2 again and multiply it by my next number. My next number in the bracket is minus 4. 2 multiplied by minus 4, well, 2 times 4 is 8, but a plus multiplied by a minus is a minus. So 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. So now I have the expression 16 plus 4C plus 2C minus 8 is the expression for perimeter. Okay, let's try and simplify this then. We look at the numbers that we have. We've got 16 here and minus 8 here. Do the numbers first and then the letters later. 16 minus 8 is just plus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4C plus 2C is the same as 4 plus 2 is 6, so 4C plus 2C is 6C. It's like if we've got 4 cats and we add 2 cats to the number of cats, we've got 6 cats in total. So what are we counting in? We're counting in number of cats. When we're counting in number of C's, we do the same thing. So the perimeter of this shape can be simplified to 8 plus 6C, which is exactly the same as 6C plus 8. These two things mean the same thing, but in maths we usually put the one with letters first and we usually put the one with numbers afterwards. So even though these two things are identical, the mathematical way of writing it is letters first, numbers last. So this would be the most simple form of calculating perimeter.